You're taking iron tablets, but you're still tired. You're eating well, but your body still aches, and your blood reports keep coming back almost normal. So, what's going on? The answer might surprise you. Not every tired person has anemia. Sometimes the real problem is vitamin D deficiency. And sometimes both conditions can exist together. So, how do you tell the difference? Let's understand both. Anemia happens when your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin to carry oxygen properly. As a result, your organs and muscles they don't get the oxygen they need. Anemia often causes fatigue and low energy levels, dizziness, lightheadedness, shortness of breath on exertion, palpitations, pale skin, gums or eyelids, headaches and poor concentration. Common causes include iron deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, chronic illness, blood loss, etc., and certain medical conditions. So, vitamin D deficiency, however, affects your bones, muscles, and immune system. Since vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and maintain bone strength, low levels can lead to a very different set of symptoms. Vitamin D deficiency causes body aches, back pain, muscle weakness, bone pain, hair fall, frequent infections, low mood or tiredness, difficulty getting up from sitting or climbing stairs. Here is a simple clue that I will give you. If climbing stairs leaves you breathless, talk about anemia. And if climbing stairs makes your legs feel heavy, weak, or painful, think about vitamin D deficiency. Remember, this is only a clue, not a diagnosis. Some people may have both conditions at the same time, which is why proper testing matters. Your doctor may recommend tests such as ferritin levels, CBC, iron studies, vitamin B12, and folate levels when needed. So, vitamin D level is very important. Let's talk about the solution. For anemia, treatment depends on the cause. Iron supplements help only when iron deficiency is actually present. Taking iron unnecessarily may not solve the problem and can sometimes cause side effects. But for vitamin D deficiency, the best is sunlight exposure. And vitamin D rich foods such as egg yolks, fatty fish, fortified milk, dairy products, mushrooms. Stay physically active to support bone and muscle strength and get your vitamin D level checked. If levels are low, your doctor may recommend vitamin D3 supplements such as Indrop D or other preparations depending on the severity of deficiency. And one important thing, don't treat yourself based on someone else's prescription. हर इंसान की body और needs मुख्तलिफ होती हैं. The right dose depends on your blood levels, medical history, and your body's requirements. So before blaming stress, age, or a busy lifestyle, take a closer look at what your body is trying to tell you. Sometimes the difference between feeling exhausted and feeling healthy is no more rest. It's finding the right diagnosis and treating the real cause. Stay informed, stay healthy, and listen to your body.